Workshop Wednesday. How are you today? Good. Plugging away. Dang near forgot about you. 3:30 in the afternoon and just now doing this. So we'll see how long it takes me to get it posted on Instagram, YouTube, and all the likes. But keep plugging along. I'll tell you what I was doing. Got to working on these little baby chihuahuas. Baby, well, they gonna fit a full-grown man. That's man's band. But the little be 3/4 inch band, little be short shank. Kind of a cool deal. Got the windmill rowel in there. Filed one of them guys this morning. That's just kind of a cool look. Look at that. Anyhow, all's well. Been plugging away on those. And the simple guys, just a little brand, but it's all good. Got to do a little cleanup around the brand and engrave it, put a little bevel on the edges, and away we go. Anyhow, yeah, been kicking along on those guys and plugging away. Drawing on TCA projects for this next show. That's August is my deadline, so time's kicking. Time's clicking, time to get busy. But anyhow, nothing like a little pressure of a deadline. It either happens at the beginning of the day or the end of the day. It's all just pressure. So, going good. Yeah, just pressure. You know, the mental thing just popped in my head. The mental thing of dealing with the day. And so this Workshop Wednesday, I'll give you a little tip. I had a text message from a good friend, Larry Lorraine, today. And a TCA fellowship's coming up, and he's applying for that. And he said, man, the feeling of rejection is real. It's there. You know what? It is. And that's so important. It's something to face that, you might be a bit and sperm maker. You might be a CEO of some big company watching this deal. I think this fits with all of us. If you don't feel the sense of rejection in what you're doing today, you may not be pushing yourself. Like, push yourself to where you're like, I don't know if I'm good enough. I don't know if I can do this. Man, that's the word of the day today for what's going on. And I'm back to drawing every day and trying to do some things. And you know what? I think that's so important. And Larry, thanks for pointing that out and just saying, hey, this is real, and away we go. And that's what makes this thing exciting and fun and see what goes on. But anyhow, off the soapbox. Sorry for preaching. Patreon's still rocking and rolling. Got lots of people signing up for that. I think the value's starting to show up there, and there's a lot of videos there and a lot of content now as I move along into the first year there, doing lots of how-tos and little tips. I did a deal, I think it's yesterday, on drawing that bit shank for a TCA show and how I was putting the scrolls out and doing my gold and all that stuff. And so anyhow, I think there's, it's a window into actually what's going on in the day. It's a great place to be. So anyhow, y'all interested in that, sign up. Engraving class, I think I mentioned that. Engraving class coming up in April, 4th through the 6th. Sign up for that. Still got room. All's well. Anyhow, knife show. Going to be at the Texas Blade Show in March. Dadgum, it's the middle of March. Can't remember the dates. But y'all come see me. Table 1A. They're going to put me up there in the front row next to the big wigs. That's going to be fun. Or maybe it's in the back. I don't know. But it's going to be fun. I'm still going to be there having a big old time. So table 1A, y'all come see me at Texas Blade Show. And by golly, if you need something in the meantime, give me a holler. We'll have a big store and a big time. And we'll see you next week. Adios.